Oh, darn it.
What?
Okay, good.
Okay. Wait, we have to talk it first.
I wonder if I could turn it forward. No, never mind. I gotta do it again.
Okay. I know what you're doing. Ew.
That one was juicy.
Wait, I got this.
Oh, go. Oh,
failure.
that was a dud.
I can suck in the air with my thumb and it gets out and then you go. What did I do? Oh my god.
This camera's probably like all over the place.
Alright.
I can't hold my arm out now.
I'll do it.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Aww. Okay, am I getting it both there?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
It's so little now. I have to revamp. I have to get some more juice. You have more juice, I don't. Oh my god, there's gonna be a big one. I can feel it. And thank you. Thank you very much. Concept. That's the biggest stomach ache. Okay. Okay, got that.
Someone in there.
Where?
My throat.
Is someone in your throat? Okay. Oh my god, there's like an air bubble in my stomach right now. I know, that's when it gets really big.
I can't get it out.
Keep sucking in air and you'll get a big one that'll last like for 5 seconds.
There it is.
I found it!
Give me my teeth.
Wait.
Oh, fail.
Oh my god. Oh, things we do in school.
Oh, that's like a burp inside of a burp.
You can hear it like going in.
Uh-oh.
It's gonna blow! Oh, right. Oh.
Oh, check it out.
Wait, your phone just vibrated. Is it still recording? It's still recording.